I'm gonna show you guys, a super easy glaze for a spiral sliced ham. And I'm also gonna show you a frittata that I made for my husband, John. We brown our sausage, slide the sausage out, and then add a little butter, a few pats of butter. When the butter melts, add, get this, jalapenos, apples, and red onion. Yum. Then it looks like this. It cooks down for about 10 minutes till it's tender. Then we put all of our sausage back in, and then we're going to add our egg mixture. Whenever you're making frittatas, I do 1 egg per inch of pan. Salt and pepper, but I don't see the pepper. Here it is. The pepper hopped back there with the bunny. And then 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, ground coriander, chili powder, granulated garlic, and parsley. Whip this all together. Then it goes over the apples, jalapenos, onions, and sausage. And then you top that with cheddar cheese. We'll make the glaze for the ham when we come back. Hey guys, so now we're going to make a coffee glaze, so like a red eye glaze for our spiral ham. When the ham is heated all the way through, turn the temperature of the oven way up and take the foil off, pour the glaze over, and it'll seep into all those little spiral slices. It's delicious. So it's a 1/2 cup each of spicy mustard, brown sugar, I get the pourable brown sugar, and 2 shots of espresso or 1/2 cup of strong coffee. Throw that in the little pot. And then to that, we're gonna add some coriander and cumin, some ground ginger, about a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a little bit of allspice, and a pinch of clove. Mix it all together and heat it up to dissolve the sugar into the glaze, and it's good to go. I turned our spiral ham back on its side, and our sauce, our little glaze, is up to a bubble. Now I'm gonna pour the hot glaze slowly all over those slices. So this is Grant's cornbread, and it tastes like cheddar cheese and ranch dressing. Yum. And then we have our apple and onion and sausage and cheddar and jalapeno frittata. And up on top of our frittata, remember we put a layer of cheddar, and on top of that, I put some mild pickled jalapeno slices and a little green onion, just to make it look springy. And that's your Easter feast. Not bad.
A feaster.
That's a feast.